In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add folders on Payhip. This approach will help you organize your products more effectively and make it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Now, while Payhip doesn't offer a traditional folder structure, we can emulate this organization by being strategic about how we use product titles and descriptions. To start, let's talk about how to use product titles and descriptions strategically. Titles are incredibly powerful tools in organizing your products and letting your customers know exactly what you offer. One excellent technique is to include categories within your product titles. This makes it really clear to anyone browsing your site what type of product they're looking at. For instance, if you sell clothing and you have a range of t-shirts with various designs, you might name a product as T-shirt graphic designs. This title immediately tells the customer both the type of product and a brief insight into its unique selling proposition, which, in this case, is the graphic design. This same method can be applied across various product offerings. Say you offer a range of digital products alongside your clothing line, like ebooks on different topics. In this instance, you might structure the titles of your ebooks with categories as well, such as ebook, marketing strategies. When customers see this product title, they know exactly that it's an ebook and the specific field it revolves around, saving them time and making their purchasing journey smoother. Moving on to product descriptions, these are equally important when it comes to enhancing searchability and giving your customer a comprehensive understanding of your products. Be sure to weave category keywords into your product descriptions. This improves how your offerings are indexed by both your shop's own search function and external search engines. For example, if you're selling that ebook we mentioned, you could include phrases like, "Learn the latest marketing strategies to boost your brand's presence," further reinforcing the product's focus and appealing to customer needs. By implementing these strategies, you ensure that your products are well organized and easy to find, resembling the functionality of a folder system without using actual folders. This organizational system not only enhances customer experience due to the clarity and ease of product navigation, but also optimizes your store's internal search capabilities. With well-labeled titles and rich, keyword-conscious descriptions, your Payhip store can effectively guide customers to exactly what they need, improving both their experience and your overall sales performance. So, take some time to review your product offerings and consider how you can tweak titles and descriptions for better categorical clarity and searchability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.